Welcome back, family, friends, and fans. As you can see, I have a huge smile on my face because we have reached 300 subscribers. We're actually at 304. So I just want to say thank you so much to everyone that has been supporting the channel, that has been popping by, even to the people who stop by and have not subscribed. I still want to say thank you for viewing and liking and commenting. It really means a lot. And as promised, we are going to announce the 300 subscribers. So we're going to be announcing that tomorrow. So I'm going to start letting everyone know tomorrow sometime in the afternoon. I think about like 2 or 3 o'clock. Probably 2. I will post, I will be live in my bedroom, which is also my art studio, and we will be announcing the winner. So I'm going to show you guys my screen and announce who the winner is. And yeah. And maybe there's going to be some surprises, maybe a surprise giveaway for someone who joins me live. Maybe you'll receive something as well. So that's just a little surprise thing. But gosh, like guys, I really am super grateful. I feel a great energy coming along with my channel. I'm doing what I love, and every channel has to start somewhere. I don't have the viewership of like millions of views and thousands of views, thousands of subscribers. I don't, but I do have something. I have authentic content, and I'm doing exactly what the heck I want to do, and I'm sharing it with you guys. And I just want to say thank you for the comments, the likes, the subscribes, the compliments, the advice, everything that you guys have done on my humble channel. It has meant a lot, and I celebrate every little thing here in my home. I celebrate it with my girls, and I'm just like, oh my God, somebody said, it was easy to understand, or good job. And, even the dislikes, it helps me to go back to the video and look and see maybe where I could have fixed something, or, what I could have done better. So thank you so much. I'm really excited. Tomorrow's a big day, guys. Tomorrow we're going to find out who is going to be the winner. I'll show you guys what is the prize again. I'll do a quick little flip through, and you guys are going to see the prize again. But I might do another giveaway tomorrow just for whoever is on the channel and joining me live. So stick around tomorrow, 2 p.m. I'm going to go live and show you all this good stuff.